Oh, no thank you.
You don't want none?
No. I don't eat that much sweets anymore.
Eddie, is this your playlist?
It's so hard.
You never hear this song.
I do like Thrush, Dan.
And I know how to play. I can play this song.
Who's that band you like that's weird?
You have to elaborate a bit. No, I can play this one.
What about
I forgot parts of it. I have to look it up. I used to play it. Where's they? Were they down there?
They're going over to the library. We'll catch up.
Oh, man.
They're on Road 13.